Yup, that's true. After this video, you can access all paid AI tools such as GPT-5 High, Google Veo 3, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4 and more for absolutely free and legally. All of this is going to happen with the secret website that I'm about to reveal. And the process to generate videos is different, which will be revealed at the end. So make sure to watch the complete video so that you don't miss any step. But before that, if you are someone who is always on a look for amazing AI tools or want to make money with artificial intelligence, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so let's begin. So the secret website to access all paid AI tools for free is LM Arena. This single website is a host to a bunch of powerful AI models. As you can see, here's every released and unreleased AI model, even the paid ones, and we can use all of them for completely free. And I'm sure you must be wondering, how is all this free? What kind of glitch in the matrix is this? So I'll cover that part in a while. Let's first have a short walkthrough of the website. So using this website is super simple. I'm not gonna bore you with the unnecessary stuff of how to log in. Well, you know that, right? All right. So let's jump into the main stuff for which you are actually here. To access any AI model, you need to click here on the direct chat and a default model here will appear. In this case, it's Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is, by the way, Google's paid AI model. So let's try this out. I'm typing in the prompt, give me 5 ideas that could actually go viral on TikTok and make money with AI niche. Make it super detailed and comprehensive with strengths and why it works. So let's generate. Alright, so we have got the result, and to be honest, I'm quite impressed by this. Each idea that it has given me has been broken down into 4 main principles. I must say 4 main pillars. So first one is the concept, what will be the core idea, then how the execution will be done, what are the key strengths and why it can go viral. So idea number 1 is the AI powered Etsy empire from your coach. The concept is a step-by-step visually satisfying tutorial how to create and sell digital products, how it will be done. It has also given me a sample script like how I can start my TikTok video. Then there's the reveal, the polish, the strengths why it can go viral, and the reason why it is the good idea. So there are 5 amazing ideas. Actually, okay, so I'll pin them down in the description below so you can check them out. And let us try a different model right here. So I'm choosing GPT-5 High and let's start with that. All right, so as you can see that now the website has switched the model to GPT-5 High. Alright, so the result is here, and GPT has also given us some same benchmark, like some same foundations, like there is a hook, step-by-step execution, strengths and why it works. It has given an additional tools to show on the screen, which are basically the visual elements that I can include in my TikTok video. So the ideas are like this. First one is $100 to $1,000 income AI challenge. There, it's kind of a 7-day mini series. The concept is there, execution like the hook, and it has not given me the script, but all right, that's fine. The caption is there, the strengths and why it works. It has also given some additional pitfalls and fixes, like some basically head-ons that I can look for, not to over exaggerate the things. In my opinion, GPT-5 High has given some great elements to include in the video, but Google has given some great ideas. Well, I'll pin both of them down in the description. You can check them out and comment which one is the best. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How is all of this free? So this is basically a testing website where AI companies submit their LLMs for us users to test out which one is the best. If you will open this sidebar, you will see a leaderboard here. All the leading models are ranked based on different parameters such as text, web dev, vision, text to image, etc, etc. So whatever task you wish to perform, such as coding, text to image, web search, you can choose the best in the class from the leaderboard to get the best results. But who ranks these models and why should you go with this leaderboard? Because these ranks are based on the votes of people like you and me. So if you'll go to the battle mode here, whatever prompt you write, the website will randomly select 2 AI models for that task. And the actual models working behind will be kept anonymous until you vote for which result you like. And then the model which generated the result will be revealed. The leaderboard we saw previously is based on this data of our votes. So whatever top model you are seeing here is not random. It is based on actual human interaction. Let's now generate some amazing images. In order to generate the image, I'm going to use this side-by-side option, which is amazing for comparing two models simultaneously. The first one that I'm selecting is Nano Banana, and the second one that I'm selecting here is Seedream 4, because both of them are the most popular tools currently. So let's see which one of them is actually better. So let me type in the prompt. Here's the prompt, and let's hit on generate. So it will take some time. Earlier, when creating images with AI had just started, I purchased expensive Midjourney plans and it was super slow on the Discord server. But now it is done for free and within minutes. Similarly, creating motion graphics like these and map animations such as these are considered very hard to create. You either need a great editor or no advanced After Effects. But what if I told you there are two amazing tools that can help you generate them effortlessly? First one is Auto AI, which is basically Canva for motion graphics. Just select any template, customize it, and boom. Similarly, if you want to create amazing map animations, Hera is the go-to source. With just a simple prompt, you can literally create any type of animation within seconds. Links to both the tools is below in the description, but if you want a brief demo of these websites, you can check out this video. Links will be popping here in the I button and in the description. Make sure to check it out only if you are interested, and of course after this video, because the images are ready. So I'll not say anything, results are right in front of you. Obviously Nano Banana has done pretty great job at it. Seedream was just okay. Although Seedream's image is actually looking real, but Nano Banana has captured all the details. And who the hell was saying that Seedream has killed Nano Banana? Like, just look at this. Look at this. It's actual Scarlett Johansson in Gryffindor's outfit. And by the way, if you want to know more about Nano Banana's detailed capabilities, so I have made another video on that. It will also be popping here in the I button. You can check that out as well after this video. And now let's generate some amazing videos. In order to generate the video, you need to click here on the sidebar and then click on join Discord, and then you'll be taken to their Discord server. And once you arrive at the Discord server, so on the left hand side you'll see three channels: Video Arena 1, 2 and 3. These are the channels where you can actually generate the videos. So let me show you simply how. So as you can see, a lot of people have already generated a lot of videos here. To generate a video, you need to type in /. These options will appear. You can either generate an image to video, or a video. Select your option, type in the prompt, and video will be generated. Although it might take some time, it usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. And imagine all of these are absolutely free to use. You can explore so many different models within one single website. So now we have reached the end of this video, but before parting, since OpenAI has recently released its own agent builder, I'm working on a detailed tutorial on how to use it and make your own AI agents. If you're someone from the future, then the video will be showing up there in the I button or in the description. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out this video for a detailed review of Auto AI and Hera, and see you in the next one.